Hello, this is Mike here with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Our website is mobility316.com. Today I'm going to show you our 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. This unit has 75,000 miles on it with a 3.6 liter V6. Like most of our inventory that we carry, this is a handicapped mobility van that has a brand new rear entry manual ramp. It is an ATS conversion. It's got a 3-year warranty on it. Very easy to operate, and we're going to show you exactly how to do that right now. You lift your back hatch. It's going to expose that one-piece ramp. That one-piece ramp is nice because it limits any metal clanking. If it was a folding ramp, each side of the ramp you got a hinge here. Just take it. That releases the left side. And on the other side you got another one. Releases it there. Each side of the ramp you got a little handle. You can grab it. Ramp is very easy to take down to the ground. You can let it take itself down to the ground. It does a little clanking, but you're not going to hurt anything if you do that. Looking into that van, we got a 34-inch wide ramp on this Caravan. Your your entry height there is 56 inches. Interior height from floor to ceiling is 58 inches. This is an ADA compliant conversion. The floor in here is very easy to maintain. You can sweep it out, wipe it down. You got a couple passenger seats here in the back. Up front here we got our steering wheel controls. If you're using this van commercially, it's nice to have those for your employees. Keeps their eyes on the road. Up front there you got the dual climate control. Driver can be one temp, passenger be another. And then of course you've got your rear controls, because rear AC this time of year is very, very important. Or your passengers right back here can go ahead and control that with the rear AC controls here. This alleyway is set up and designed to carry either 2 wheelchairs or a gurney. You've got 8 tie-down points, 2 up there in the front, 4 here, 2 here. It's a good point to point out that we do offer a free set of basic ratcheting tie-downs with each van purchase. If you would like to upgrade to the retractable tie-down ones, just let us know. The only difference you're going to have there is a matter of labor. So we're going to go ahead and close our ramp back up. I'm going to grab that handle. It's real easy. If you can do a half gallon of milk from the ground, you can put one of these ramps away. Again, good solid design. Not a lot to go wrong with it. It does have the 3-year warranty on it though, if something does go. This fan here does have the power hatch, so we'll cheat there and let it do the work for us. We're going to do a walk around of the van. What we're looking for is anything we can point out, maybe the camera can't pick up, or all the pictures that we have on our website at mobility316.com you can't always see. Again, this is a 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan, and it's a very clean body. Touch-up paint could go there. Windshield looks pretty much flawless. It's got that privacy tinted windows there. Again, helps keep your rear passengers cooler during the summer months, and it gives you the privacy that's always nice to have. Do see a ding right here. I'm sure the camera's picking that up, and a little one here. I don't know if the camera can pick that up. It's smaller than a dime. A lot of life left on the tires. Got your alloy rims. I apologize if the phone did ring there. You got your power, you got your power windows, power mirror. It's got the dual power sliders. Just start them there. Headliner's in great shape. There's no odors, no stains, no rips in the upholstery. I don't smell any pets. I do not smell any cigarette smoke. Come over here to the driver's side. You got your key fob It's got the power hatch, driver side slider, passenger side slider. We're going to open up the drivers. Nice feature to have if you're coming out with a bag full of groceries. Just another look. And you got your power windows, power mirrors. You're going to turn it on, let you see all the lights do work on the dash. And of course, when we turn the van on, all those lights do turn off. Radio works. And we do have cold air. I'm going to test our windows. Alright, everything on the van works here. Interior is nice, no rips, no stains, no tears. We're going to go ahead and take a quick look under the hood. Alright, 3.6 liter V6, 75,000 miles on it. Got a newer battery, very clean engine bay. Underneath the van, very important, you are buying a van, any automobile, sight unseen, which is a very common process nowadays with technology. Protect yourself by making sure whoever you're dealing with, the seller, a private individual, whoever it is, takes a few minutes like this, gets down on the hot pavement, and shows you the undercarriage. You purchase a vehicle as it's covered in rust under there, you're risking a vehicle that can't pass your state inspection. You're risking safety, and more or less you just buy yourself a paperweight. So make sure your seller takes those few moments to get you as much information that you need on what you're looking to purchase. We're going to go ahead and take this for a quick test drive. Alright, we're going to do the test drive portion of the video. What we're going to do here is we are going to get the van on the highway, get up to highway speeds. We want to have you listen, or at least try to hear the transmission shift, the engine operate, and see just how the van drives down the road. Alright. Van drives nice straight down the road. We're going to set our cruise control here. Cruise control works. Smooth ride the van is. I'd like to point out on this conversion back here in the back, the lack of noise that you get from the ATS design. It's nice to have that ramp be one solid piece, not a folding piece. So if you're using this van commercially, it's something that you can still have a conversation with and communicate with your customers or passengers. Or if you're just using this for family, personal reasons, you can still hold a conversation with those that are right in the back with you. We're going to come up here on the exit ramp. We're going to give the van a hard brake. We just want to make sure the van's not pulling side to side, the steering wheel's not jerking. Alright. Hard brake. Hand was off the steering wheel. It did not pull the van one way or the other. The steering wheel didn't shimmy, didn't shake. Here's a 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. Unit's got 75,000 miles on it. It's got a very clean white body. Easy to keep clean, maintain. Brand new ATS conversion back there with a 3-year warranty. Van such as this, with a brand new ATS conversion in the back, we offer a free shipping program. We offer it on many of our vans. Some of our older models. If you're looking for something a little cheaper, a little more affordable, we certainly can help you there, and we can certainly help you out on shipping there as well. We broker for our own customers. We do it privately, more or less. We do not put ourselves out there as a broker. We just do it to help our customers save a little bit of money and make it a little easier to get the van to you. We are affordable mobility solutions. This was a 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. It's got 75,000 miles on that 3.6 liter V6. Very clean body for a 2014. Can't ever say a used vehicle is perfect, but for 2014, I think anybody would be pretty darn happy. We have over 450 positive ratings on eBay. Not a single negative comment in the 8 years we've been doing business, nearly 8 years, excuse me. We have a 100% satisfaction rating with the Better Business Bureau. We have the free shipping program, free ratcheting set of tie downs with your van. And from the moment you pick out your van to the moment it arrives to your door, we'll walk you all the way through it. If you have any questions, please give us a call. Our number is 316-262-8267. That's 316-262-VANS. And you can always reach us at mobility316.com, mobility316.com. Thank you for taking the time to look at our video.